Now, one of the other things Festool put out as an accessory to the track saw is the parallel guide. Now, these come as a set of 2 and they attach to the track, and then this gives you a chance, as it says parallel guide, is to cut something parallel to the cut. So in my previous video I made sure this edge was square. I've marked it there, and the other reference edge I've also marked, because being me, I'm likely to get it mucked up and then I would end up referencing off an unsquare edge. So now I'm going to use these reference marks and the parallel guides to help me square up the rest of this board, which I'm going to be using as a shelf. Now, as you can see, these have got big curvy bits in there, obviously so that you don't put your saw blade through it. So that means it can't sit flat on a flat surface, so you need to extend it out, so over the side of the table. So down the side here you can see these are the referencing pins, and these go from about 190 down to 650 mils. If you want to make a smaller cut, you can actually come off this part of the board, and once you've calibrated it, you can basically go 0 mils against the saw to 230. So you can also come in this way. So I'm not wanting to take a lot off, but I do want it to be reasonably square. So I'm going to say, taking off the minimal amount, it's going to be around about 594 mil. Okay, so that's easy, and now I'm pressing it up against there. And if I just check there, it's close to 595. So I'll come round, I'll reference off this side too. Put that down. Now I've got a parallel edge here. Once again, I'm using the track saw to do this, which will give me a bit of weight there, and holding on to this board will give me the rest of the support I need. So I just grab my safety gear and we'll make some noise. I don't know if you can see, but I've just got a little bit of a daggy edge there, because when I was playing around with this before, I obviously adjusted it a bit too far. So I'm just going to knock that down another couple of mils, and I'm just going to make the cut again. Nice and simple. Okay, so now that's cleaned up that edge nicely, and if I take this off for a moment, so I was just referencing off this edge, this is my other straight edge, I've got the tick there. I'm just going to turn the board this way. Okay, here you can see there's a larger bit to cut off, but I'm wanting this to be nice and square shape. I've got a reasonable gap in here, but that's okay because I'm actually referencing off this edge, not against the side. So back on with the dust extraction. And once again, nice smooth cut, right on the splinter guard of the track. Take this away. I now have a board that should be square along that way and along that way. And if I've done it right, it should be square in all directions. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. And not bad. So pretty all. Pretty good. So that's the MFT 1080 track saw, bit of wood and parallel guides. Thanks for watching.